The topic is determination of vertical angle with the help of transit theodolite. Now, what is vertical angle? A vertical angle is the angle which the inclined line of sight on the vertical plane makes with the horizontal. It means a vertical angle is the angle between the inclined line of sight and the horizontal line. It may be positive and negative. In this diagram, theta is vertical angle and small a is angle of elevation, it is positive angle, and small b angle of depression, it is negative angle. So we can say the two types of vertical angles are present. One is angle of elevation and second one is angle of depression. Now, what is angle of elevation? This angle is above the horizontal line and it is always considered as a positive angle. That means it is denotes the angle from the horizontal upward to an object. An observer's line of sight would be above the horizontal. Angle of depression. Now, what is the meaning of angle of depression? This angle is below the horizontal line and it is always considered as negative angle. It means the angle of depression denotes the angle from the horizontal downward to an object. An observer's line of sight would be below the horizontal. Note that the angle of elevation and the angle of depression are congruent angles. To find the vertical angle with a theodolite, here are some procedures of measurement. Number 1. Set up the transit theodolite at the given station of observation with proper centering and perfect leveling. Number 2. The telescope is then rotated horizontally until the line of collimation bisects the object. Both the vertical and horizontal plates are clamped. Loose the vertical circle clamp and direct the telescope in a vertical plane toward the object and bisects exactly using the vertical circle tangent screw. And number 3, read both the vernier C and D are taken for both face, left and right position, and the average of these give the required vertical angle. Left face position of the telescope. While taking a reading, if the vertical circle of the instrument is on the left side of the observer, the position is called the face left, and the observation taken on horizontal and vertical circle in this position is known as the face left observation. Right face position of the telescope. Similarly, face right is refers to that situation when the vertical circle of the instrument is on the right of the observer when the reading is taken, and the observation made is called face right observation.